How to fix black screen on your Android. Now, if you have a black screen on your Android, there might be some reasons that are causing the problem. Before solving the issue, you need to figure out what is causing the problem. Now, there might be so many reasons for this one. If your phone's battery is dead, this problem might occur. If your phone is old and gets hanged constantly, this might also be the reason for the problems. Now, in order to fix this, if you have really old phone, you just simply need to update your phone by going into the settings and doing the manual updates if there is any available. Now, if you have really old phones with removable battery, try removing your battery and putting the battery on again and restart your phone. If that still doesn't work, you should charge your phone for like 20 or 30 minutes, and after that you should try to restart your phone. And there is this option of restarting the phone by tapping into volume and power button at the same time. If that works in your phone, try doing that too, and this might probably fix your issue. I hope this video was helpful to you. If yes, don't forget to hit that subscribe button.